Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the update now, so make sure you're signed into an administrator account and connected to the internet. Once ready, open Start and type Windows Security. Press Enter to launch the app. From the app home, go straight to Virus and Threat Protection so you can control the intelligence update. This step triggers the manual path. It's faster than waiting for scheduled updates and ensures your Defender definitions are current before you continue. Now you'll run the actual update. In Virus and Threat Protection, scroll to Virus and Threat Protection Updates and choose Check for Updates. Then click Check for Updates again to start downloading the latest definitions. You'll see progress or a completion message. Wait until it finishes and avoid closing the app so the install can complete. This updates the security intelligence that Defender uses to detect threats, which is why you manually run it if you want the newest protections right away. Finish by confirming the Protection Update section shows today's date and a newer version number. That proves the update installed. If it didn't, restart your PC and run the check again, because a simple reboot often resolves locked files or service issues. If problems persist, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and restart Windows Security or Microsoft Defender Services from Services. MSC. This is the key troubleshooting tip, because it resets the update pipeline and clears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.